Hi dears, welcome for the second class. Now book reading. Secondary sex characteristics. What lesson we saw? Adolescence, reaching the age of adolescence. What do you mean by secondary sex characteristic? Now we saw. Secondary sex characteristic are the physical features which distinguish from male from female. That changes Which changes? Secondary sexual characteristic changes that only differentiate the male from female. After the progression of puberty, boys and girls become dissimilar in appearance. Before that puberty, both boys and girls also same appearance. After that puberty, after attaining that puberty, adolescent period, both boys and girls become dissimilar in appearance. Dissimilar in appearance. Now we saw one by one. The secondary sex characteristics are regulated by the hormones. Already we saw no? The secondary sexual characteristic, which one regulated? The regulated by the hormones only. The testosterone are androgen secreted by the testes of the male. Hormones, which hormone present in male? Testosterone. That reproductive hormone, which one? Testosterone, otherwise called androgen, secreted by the testes of the male. Where it is secreted? It is secreted by the testes of the male. Which one? Male sex organs? Testosterone or androgen? That secreted the hormone testosterone. Male secreted the hormone testosterone or androgen. Okay, next female. Estrogen secreted by the ovaries. Estrogen secreted by the ovaries of the female. Estrogen otherwise called progesterone. This one female sex hormone. Okay, androgen cause the growth of larynx. Androgen hormone which is present, where it is present? The male. Male only present androgen, otherwise testosterone. Which one cause this one? The growth of the larynx. Larynxனா the குரல் வரைக்கு growth ஆகிறதுக்கு காரணமாக அமையுது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. Muscle development, skeletal size and distribution of body and pubic hair. What are the changes takes place in that androgen cause the growth of larynx? And then muscle development, skeletal size and distribution of body and pubic hair and stimulation of sweat glands. And also sweat glands also stimulated. Which period? In that adolescent period. Adolescent means otherwise called what? Puberty. Androgen, which hormone? Male sex hormone. What are the changes takes place? The growth of the larynx. First. Second one, muscle development. Third one, skeletal system. Fourth one, distribution of body and also pubic hair and stimulation of sweat glands. These all the changes takes place in the puberty. Which boys or girls? In boys. Next, estrogen and progesterone are the female sex hormones. Estrogen and progesterone are the female sex hormones. What are the changes takes place? Estrogen stimulates the development of the breast and also the external genitalia. External genitalia. Pubic and axillary hairs and the distribution of body fat. This one changes for girls. Next, secondary sex characteristics of boys. What are the changes takes place in the secondary sexual characteristics? Which one? Boys. The following are the secondary sex characteristics of boys. Let us see one by one. First one, hair. First one what? Hair. Immediately after the development of primary sex characteristic, pubic hair appears followed by the axillary and facial hairs. Pubic hair appears followed by the axillary and facial hair. முஸ்டக் தாடி மீசெல்லாம் வளருது இல்லைங்களா, இதுதான் அதாவது சேஞ்சஸ். Immediately after the development of primary sex characteristics, what are the changes? A pubic hair appears and followed by axillary and facial hair also appear in boys. Next, skin. The skin becomes coarse and the pores in the skin enlarges. Pores and pores in the skin enlarges. That means the sweat glands increases, no? That only here we saw. Next, glands. The oil producing glands in the skin enlarge, and due to this acne may appear on the faces. The பிம்பிள்ஸ்லாம் வருது இல்லைங்களா, அதுதான் இங்கே ஆக்னி அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. The oil producing glands in the skin enlarge. ஆயில் ப்ரொடியூசிங் கிளான்ஸ் என்ன ஆகுது, என்லார்ஜ் ஆகுது. அதனால என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா, ஆன் த டைம் மே அப்பியர் ஆன் த ஃபேஸஸ். விச் ஒன்? ஆக்னி அப்படின்னா பிம்பிள்ஸ். ஆயில் கிளான்ஸு அதிகமாக செக்ரேட் ஆகிறதுனால இந்த பிம்பிள்ஸ்லாம் வருது இல்லை டீனேஜில், அந்த அடலசன்ஸ் பீரியடில், அதை தான் சொல்கிறாங்க கிளான்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட், fourth changes, muscle. The strength of the muscle increase. Strength of the muscle increase, and also it gives shape to arms, legs and shoulder. The muscle increase. Strength also given. Which one gives? It gives shape to arms, legs and shoulder. Next, voice. During this period, voice changes occur and the voice become husky. Then its pitch drops and the volume increase. Voice changes occur in boys. First, voice become husky voice. Then it pitch na high pitch la sound increase ஆகிறத சொல்கிறாங்க. Pitch drops and the volume increase. Which one cause for the increased volume? The Adam's apple in boys. Here we saw the picture. What we discuss here? Thyroid cartilage, upper side. Next, left lobe, right lobe. Present in where? In the Adam's apple. That means larynx part. Left lobe and right lobe also present. Thyroid gland. And then trachea. இந்த மூச்சுக்குள்ளல் சொல்கிறோம். இதான் Adam's apple. We compare that boys and girls. In that neck region, some bulge-like structure present in the boys, ball-like structure. That only Adam's apple. Differentiate the boys and girls. We saw in girls there is no bulge-like structure, but in boys, in that trachea, அந்த குரல் வலை பகுதி இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, அங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ஸ்மால் பால் லைக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ப்ரெசன்ட். அதுக்கு பேர் தான் ஆடம்ஸ் ஆப்பிள் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Do you know? The secretion of sweat and sebaceous or subcutaneous glands, these two also oil glands. Sebaceous, otherwise called subcutaneous tissues. Tissues are glands, are very active during adolescence. Many adolescent boys and girls get pimples on face because of increased activity of these glands. Which glands? Sebaceous or subcutaneous tissues. Subcutaneous glands. These glands only responsible for both boys and girls in that adolescent period get pimples on face because of increased activity of these glands in the skin. Owing to extra secretions, sometimes a distinctive odor means smell, is also produced from the bodies. Now we discuss secondary sex characteristics of girls. Already we discussed secondary sex characteristic of boys. Now we discuss secondary sex characteristic of girls. What are the changes takes place? Girls show the following secondary sex characteristics at the time of puberty. What are the changes? First one, hips. Due to the enlargement of the pelvic bones and the development of subcutaneous fat. Sebaceous or subcutaneous glands, no, that one. Here we saw development of subcutaneous fat. The hip becomes wider and rounder. Which time? At the adolescent period. The hip becomes wider and rounder. In girls. Next, breast. After the enlargement of hips, the breast being to develop during this time. Which time? Puberty time. Puberty, otherwise adolescence time. The breast begin to develop during the puberty time. Next, pubic hair. Pubic hair appears followed by axillary and body hair on the limbs. Next, skin. The skin becomes coarser and the pores enlarge as in the case of boys. The skin becomes coarser and the pores enlarge as in the case of boys. Next, gland. Oil producing glands become active during this period. Oil producing glands become active, causing acne on the face. Causing acne on the face. That means pimples may appear on the skin. Next, muscles. Increase in muscles takes place which give shape to shoulder and arms and legs. Muscle increase and give the shape to the shoulder, arm and leg part. Next, voice. Voice become shrill. Girls' voice become shrill and the voice break and rare among girls. That means maximum all the girls' voice become shrill. Shrillனா அப்படியே எப்படி இருக்கும், வாய்ஸ் வந்து மெலோடியஸாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். சம் ரேர் அமங் கேர்ள்ஸு, ஒரு சில கேர்ள்ஸுக்கு ஜென்ஸ் வாய்ஸ் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அதான் சம் ரேர் அமங் கேர்ள்ஸு. Do you know? At puberty, the growth of the larynx is larger in boys than that of girls. Puberty time, which one increase in size? Boys only, larynx increases in size. The growing voice in boys, voice box in boys, can be seen as a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. Protrudingனா என்ன சொல்கிறோன்னா அப்படி துருத்திட்டு இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். எங்கே? இந்த நெக் பார்ட்டில். So that the voice become deep and harsh. Which one cause for the voice? Voice becomes deep and harsh. The Adam's apple only. This is caused mainly by male regulator chemicals during adolescence. As a result of this, muscles attached to the cartilage get loosened and thickened. When air passes through these loosened and thickened cords, a coarse sound is produced in girls. Larynx is hardly visible from outside because of its small size and the voice becomes high-pitched in boys. So, voice, the Adam's apple, only reason for that boy's voice become high pitch. The Adam's apple present in male only. Female is not present. So, the female voice becomes shrill. Okay. Now we discuss about the secondary sex characteristic in boys and girls. What are the differentiation? Girls and boys. First point, girls and boys both also height and weight increase in that secondary sexual characteristic. That means that puberty time. Height and weight increase. Next, in girls, fatty and subcutaneous tissues develop. In girls, fatty and subcutaneous tissues develop in girls, but in boys, muscles development only. In girls, hip broadens. In boys, shoulder broadens. Fourth point, hair grows in armpits and pubic area. Here, this one girls, hair grows in armpit and pubic area. In boys, hair grows in the armpits and pubic area and facial hair also appears. That means mustache and beard. தாடி மீசெல்லாம் சொல்கிறோம்ல அதெல்லாம் வளருது பாய்ஸ்க்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. வாய்ஸ் பிகம் shrill. In girls, voice becomes shrill. In boys, voice break takes place due to lengthening of vocal cord and enlarging of larynx. Voice break takes place due to the lengthening of vocal cord and enlarging of larynx in boys. Next, last point, breast develops. Which one? Girls. Boys, size of the penis increase. Size of the penis increase. Next, answer the following. First question for you. What is the secondary sexual characteristic? What is the secondary sex characteristic? The secondary sex characteristic are the physical features which distinguish male from female. The secondary sex characteristic, that physical characteristics that differentiate the male from female. Example, puberty. Also some example, height in the hip broadens, and then in girls hip broadens. Boys, which one broadens? Shoulder becomes broadens. This like changes. In girls, attain puberty. Next, second question. What is fertilization? A male sperm then unites with the egg of the female gamete. A male sperm then unites with the egg of a female gamete. This is known as fertilization. Male gamete fuses with the female gamete is called fertilization. The fertilized eggs undergoes development and it is implanted in the uterus. The fertilized eggs, where it is implanted? In the uterus. Third question, how is adolescence different from childhood? How is adolescence differ from childhood? Adolescence is the most crucial and significant period in an individual life. It is an important period in an individual life. Which one? Adolescence. It is a period of transition. It is a period of transformation. Transition means transformation from childhood to adulthood. The secondary sexual character will grow in this period only. The secondary sexual character, where it is, which period grow? The adolescent period only grow. Simply said means the transition of childhood from adulthood period is called which one? Adolescence. Next question, differentiate secondary sex characteristic in boys and girls. What are the changes we saw? That only fourth question. In girls, first we saw girls height and weight increase. Boys also height and weight increase. In girls, fatty and subcutaneous tissues developed. Boys, muscles only develop. In girls, hip broadens. Boys, shoulder broadens. In girls, hair grows in armpit and pubic area. But in boys, hair grows in the armpit and pubic area and facial hair also appears. Facial hair also appears. Next, fifth point, voice becomes shrill. Who? Girls. In boys, voice break takes place due to the lengthening of vocal cord and enlarging of larynx. Voice break takes place due to the lengthening of vocal cord and enlarging of larynx. Sixth point, breast develops. Here, size of the penis increase in boys. Assignment. First question, what is secondary sex characteristics? Second question, what is fertilization? Third question, how is adolescence differ from childhood? Fourth question, Differentiate secondary sex characteristic in boys and girls. Next, now we discuss about worksheet. First Roman, correct the false statement. Here given one statement. Underline word only wrong. We want to write the right word in that underlining word. Okay, first question. The term adolescence is derived from the English word adolescere. Second question. 15 to 17 and ends at the age of 19, commonly known as teenage. Third question. Reproductive organs of boys and girls becomes fully functional at the time of adolescence. Fourth question. Estrogen and progesterone are the male sex hormones. Second question. Fourth question completed. Now we saw 6C. Now we see which question? Fifth question. At puberty, the growth of the larynx is larger in girls than that of boys. Okay. Second Roman. Label the following diagram. Endocrine glands given here. You want to write the parts name. First one. Second one. Adam's apple. Here also you want to write the parts name. Label the following diagram. Next, third Roman, match the following. Male. That match arranging in different order. You want to write the correct order. Male 12 or 13 years. Female till 19 years. Next, puberty in boys 10 to 11 years. Puberty in girls androgen. Teenage estrogen or progesterone. Fourth Roman multiple choice question. DAS is a natural process that takes place in all living organisms. Reproduction, maturity, growing. Fourth one, both A and C. You want to write the correct one, you write in the space. Second question. DAS play an important role at the time of puberty. Hormones, physical change, chemical change, none of these. Third question. At puberty, the growth of the larynx is larger in DAS than that of girls. Girls, boys, both boys and girls. D. None of the above. Fourth one. DAS voice becomes shrill. Boys, girls, children, adulthood. Fifth question. DAS is a secondary sexual characteristics. Hair in genital area, hormones, voice change, all the above. Fifth Roman, answer in one word. First question. Name a gland which transports secretions through ducts. Second question. Whose height grow faster initially, boys or girls? Third question. Which gland is called master gland? Fourth question. What causes goiter? Fifth question. How many chromosomes are present in human cells? I hope you understood this class. The remaining part will continue in the next class. Thank you dears. Do well. Thank you.